If you're looking for ways to export your emails from Gmail into a CSV file, you will find that Google doesn't do it out of the box. Using Google Takeout, you can export your labeled emails in a JSON or MBOX format, and the only thing you can export as CSV are your contacts. Before we continue, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest data migration tutorials, news about customer service, and more. If you need to export your Gmail, there is a safe and reliable way to do it in one go: Help Desk Migration. It's important to note that this option is not free, but it's worth the attention, and here's why. Migration Wizard is an automated online tool that allows you to export all your Gmail data seamlessly. Our tool lets you test the migration, examine the results, and tweak the settings. No need to copy your data manually. Get your emails exported to CSV with minimal efforts. Let us show you how it works. First of all, you need to head over to our website and fill in a From-To form. Select Gmail as your source platform and CSV as your target platform. As soon as you've done, press the Try Data Migration. After that, you will be redirected to our Migration Wizard. There you need to create an account with our service in case you don't have one. Gmail is already pre-selected as your source platform, so you just need to connect your Gmail to our tool. Press the Sign Up with Gmail button, which will redirect you to the new landing where you need to choose the account to continue to helpdeskmigration.com. Then you need to allow our Migration Wizard to access your Google account. The migration process won't be possible without the access. In such a way, our tool will establish the connection with your account to enable the migration process. Your next step is to select entities in the Select Object fields. You can export users, contacts, and emails to CSV. As you select email, the mapping page will appear. Do the mapping and then proceed with the export. After all of these actions, just wait for your files to migrate. Depending on the size of the mailbox, it might take some time for them to be ready. As soon as the migration has finished, the report page will appear with all exported data. To complete the exporting process to CSV, click the Download Dumps button next to Tickets. After that, you will see ZAP, Files with Tickets, and Ticket Attachments. You need to download the following files as they contain your data in the CSV format. Then do the same process with contacts. As soon as you've looked through the ZIP files, you need to pay a fee for the export. In addition to our tool, there are some free alternatives. You can read about these methods in our article. We will leave a link for you in the description box. And that's pretty much it for today. As you can see, Gmail is quite limited in terms of what you can export, whereas our solution renders this limitation useless. Migration Wizard is an easy and fast way to export all your Gmail data to CSV. So, if you are looking for a reliable way to move all your Google account data, sign up in Migration Wizard and start the exporting process now. We hope this video was useful for you, and we're looking forward to seeing you soon.